To my fellow MarineMax boaters, I thank you for coming on this journey with us this year, the 9th annual Lobster Bash. After all, life is a journey, and I am very proud and glad to spend mine with you. I hope you had a tremendous time and made memories with your friends and family. Can't wait till the next one. Let's do it again.
Hey everyone, Paul Cummings here. What an amazing 9th annual Lobster Bash we've had. The weather's been fantastic. We've had a great time. We hope to see you next year at the 10th annual. Have a great one.
Hey everyone, Christian Gonzalez here from MarineMax Miami and MarineMax Miami Beach. Just wanted to say a quick thank you to all of our customers that took their time to join us here at the 9th annual Lobster Bash. It's been a phenomenal time. Can't wait to see you next year, and we'll see you out on the water.
This is Captain Chris Fink aboard the Sea Ray 55 Fly that I call my Getaways. We have had a fantastic Lobster Bash 2018 and looking forward to planning our 2019 Lobster Bash. I want to thank you all for joining us this year. Can't wait to see you next year. Captain Chris signing off for now. See you next year, everybody.